As news of the Pakistani army's surrender spreads, the Mukti Bahini guerrillas come from their hiding places in the city. Not long before, some of them and their supporters had been guests and waiters in the hotel. Their first target is the radio station just down the road from the hotel. Some of them want to shoot their way in, despite the fact that there's no resistance. But for the moment, a semblance of Mukti Bahini law and order prevails. Unofficially, the birth of the new nation is proclaimed when the Bangladesh flag is raised over the radio station.